Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to update organization units based on departments in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. In the admin console, there is no specific feature related to this. Departments and OU are two related concepts. The department is a field in the company directory, visible to company users, while OU is a field only visible to Google admins. When managing a large team, it is a common practice to shift team members from one department to another if necessary. IT admins use Google Admin to update the departments and organizational units of Google Workspace users. Foresight has introduced a new feature to update users' OU based on their department information. Here are some reasons why you should update the OU based on departments. Updating the OU based on departments provides a more organized and efficient structure for managing resources and personnel. Updating the OU based on departments allows for better control over access to resources and information. It becomes simpler to delegate responsibilities to department heads or managers. Enables easier reporting and analysis of data. Let's see how Foresight helps in managing this scenario easily without coding. Instructions. This use case, in fact, contains two closely related use cases. Rule 1. Bulk update users' OU based on their department information. This rule exports users with a CSV file having two columns, the primary email and department. Rule 2. Create an automation process for updating users' OU when their department information has been changed. Now let's move on to the rule creation. Sign into Foresight and click the new Rule Plus button. Select the manual trigger. Select the List Users action. Select the email and the department columns. Leave the rest of the fields as default. Click Review. Give the rule name Rule 1A. Bulk OU updates on user department information. Click Create. This is the first part of Rule 1. Now trigger the first part of the rule to get the CSV file. Now, let's verify the Rule 1A. You will find the notification about the first part of rule creation. Also, you can see the result of Rule 1A from the Logs page. Then download the CSV file from this page. Here is the users list with their relevant departments. We've modified the CSV. For the demo purpose, kept only 5 users. It's time to create the second part of this automation rule. Again, click the plus button, select the Data Uploaded trigger and upload the same CSV file. Click Next. Select the If action. Select Department as variable type and text contains as operator. Then give a name for your OU. Here, give the name Digital Marketing. Click Add Next action. Select the Move User to Organizational Unit action. Now select Email in the User Primary Email field and /Digital Marketing in the New Organizational Unit. Then, add the second branch similarly. Now, you need to add a fallback branch in your if action. So, click on Add Next action. Again, select the Move User to Organizational Unit action. Repeat the same step. Enter the primary email in User Primary Email and /IT in the user's new organizational unit. Click Review. Give a rule name. Click Create. Now, the rule has been created. To trigger the final step of Rule 1, upload the CSV file once more and wait for it to finish uploading. Now, let's verify the Rule 1. Next, let's look at Rule 2. After clicking the plus button and select the user department change trigger, leave the user primary field as default and click on Next. Then, select the Get User Info action. Enter the user primary email in the primary email field. Click Add Next action. Select the If action. Again, select Department as the variable type and text contains as the operator. Give a name for your organizational unit, social media. Click Add Next action. Select the Move Organizational Unit action. Enter user primary email in the user primary email field and /social media marketing in the new organizational unit field. We will not set the fallback branch, as it is illogical to use it here. Click Review. Give a rule name and click on Create. So the rule will be created. Now, let's trigger the rule. Go to the Google admin. You can see the current OU of this user is Internship Finished, and the department is Digital Marketing. Now we will update the user's department. After updating, you can see from the xFanatical Foresight logs page, the rule is triggered successfully. Also, the user OU is changed to social media marketing. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.